For the figurative language questions for pages 23 through 34, you need to begin by reading the directions. They say, fill in the blanks to create correct sentences. For these questions, there are several types of figurative language that you can encounter. Metaphor, a comparison between two unrelated things that does not include the words like or as. Simile, a comparison between two unrelated things that does include the words like or as. Idiom, an expression whose meaning is different from the meaning of its individual words. Hyperbole, extreme exaggeration used to make a point. Oxymoron, a figure of speech in which two opposite ideas are joined to create an effect, usually an adjective and a noun. And personification, the act of giving human qualities or abilities to things other than humans. The first piece of figurative language is the world had become a hermetically sealed cattle car. In order to get this answer correct, you need to first identify the type of figurative language and then explain what it is that the author means without using another piece of figurative language. 2. She looked like a withered tree in a field of wheat. 3. Confidence soared. 4. He couldn't believe his ears. 5. My father's voice tore me from my daydreams. 6. My heart was about to burst. Remember, in answering all of these questions, you must first identify the type of figurative language and then explain what it is that the author means. When explaining what the author means, you cannot use another piece of figurative language.